For inspections and surveys, you want the best camera performance with as easy a setup and operation as possible. There are many key features that set Deep Trekker's enhanced 4K camera and bridge camera optimization algorithms apart. Cut through the murk with automatic turbidity filtering, revealing clear details where others can't. Experience real-time color precision, adapting seamlessly to underwater conditions for vibrant imagery. Capture fine details even in enclosed spaces with digital pan, tilt, and zoom. Stream and record in stunning 4K clarity, ensuring every mission is captured with uncompromising detail. Achieve real-time responsiveness with low-latency streaming, crucial for precision operations underwater. Excel in low-light environments with high-sensitivity sensors and powerful LED lights. Capturing clear visuals even in darkness. Generate detailed 3D models effortlessly with our auto-snapshot and motion blur reduction to help Fotogrammetry software handle the rest. Expand your perspective with a wide field of view, covering more ground for comprehensive surveys and assessments. Stay ahead with regular software updates, continuously enhancing features and performance to keep you at the leading edge of technology. Join us in revolutionizing underwater inspections with Deep Trekker ROVs.